This is the blizzard. The blizzard of 1996. There's Kevin on our huge snow mound. Whoa! Kevin, wave to the camera. Hi.
Hi, Mama.
Let's see your face. Look at you, 6 years old. Out romping in the snow here.
He's over there.
It started snowing about 5 o'clock last night.
He's making a tunnel. I help him. I need it. He needs it.
Brian, give us a wave.
He needs it.
Whoa.
Over here.
Not with the camera. I don't want to get the lens all snowy, honey.
We made a tunnel.
Good.
We're going to make tunnels underneath the snow.
We must have gotten about 15 inches. It's still snowing. It's now 4 o'clock the next day. So what's that? About 36 hours that it has been snowing here. You can see the huge mounds. Ron got up about 6 o'clock this morning. Used a snow blower. Hi, Kev.
Hello.
How is it?
Oh, Kiki.
It's been freezing cold. Every night it's been well below zero. I think the high temperature today was going to be about 12 degrees. Hi there, Snowy. Little snowman. No, don't hit the camera, Brian. Woo! What'd you?
Watch me run.
I'm watching you. Woo! And you made a jump. Wow. Let me see you do that again.
Okay. I gotta get up to the ground. Ready?
Ready. Whee! Uh-oh. Did you get a face full?
No.
Oh, good. And what's Mr. B doing?
I'm making another tunnel.
Brian's trying to make another tunnel.
This one's gonna have a little sunroof.
Is it too icy?
What?
Too icy for you?
No.
No? We got Brian. Brian, say hi.
Hi.
Turn and look at me. Give me a big wave. No.
Want another one?
Yeah, let me take a picture of the house.
Yeah.
Whoa, Kevin. That was a good jump. Let's see, what is today's date? January the... Oh, must be about the 8th. Yeah, I guess it's January 8th. First blizzard of 1976. Woohoo! I see you.
Mom,
Yeah?
I need to zip this down a little.
Okay, hold on.